Hi guys, I'm starting a new segment. It's called Ship Shape. I'm gonna share my passion of fitness with you guys. Obviously I have a passion for traveling and cruising, but I also have a passion for fitness. And it's because 7 years ago, I had a scare. I had a episode where I nearly had a stroke from undiagnosed high blood pressure due to obesity, and it forced me to take things in my own hands and lose 100 pounds, which I did in about 9 months, and I've kept it off over the years. And I've done that by tracking calories and exercising on a regular basis. So I think it's important to understand when you go on any kind of vacation, it requires a lot of walking and a lot of activity when you're not used to activity. It's best to be in good shape, good health, so you can enjoy those activities. And if you love cruising, by improving your physical fitness now, in your 30s, 40s, 50s, you'll be able to do it longer and enjoy it longer. So with that said, guys, please follow along. If you have any questions or comments, comment below, and I'll do my best to answer your questions. And I am currently 178 pounds. When I got off the Panorama 8 days ago, I was weighing in at 186. So I dropped 8 pounds of water. You guys might be thinking that's crazy, but for me, it's normal. I don't eat bad or drink alcohol until I go on vacation. And I train really hard in between vacations, and we go on vacations every 2 to 3 months. The next one's in 90 days. And just for point of reference, I'm 5'8". When I got onto Panorama, I weighed 169, which is about 4 pounds heavier than I like to be. And then when I got off, I was 186. Weighing in today at 178. I'm going to take you guys down to 162-ish pounds over the next 90 days. You can see how I do it. And right now I'm getting ready to do high intensity training, which is boxing, which I love to do. I do a minimum of 30 minutes of it a day after strength training, upwards to an hour, depending on how much time I have. So with that said, guys, feel free to comment below, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.